Birthday party! Happy first birthday, Cairo! Mwah. You got a bubble snake? Oh my gosh! You like bubbles? Yes! Taste it. Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cairo. Happy birthday to you. How? What happened to how old are you now?
4 months.
Okay.
Blow your candle.
Are you 12 months?
Oh.
Get up there. Okay,
Are you gonna eat some cake at this time? Are you gonna eat some cake today, guys? Yeah. Put on his face. Wow. Your hands need to get up in there now.
Kiana, not yours.
Come on, honey. Put your hand up in there.
Oh, you guys can't see me. I'm still in my couch. That's where I fell asleep last night. I'm gonna go back and take a nap. Oh, you guys when I wake up, okay? Okay, bye. Hey. Yo, I was so tired last night. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Flawless. Yeah, but like I was so tired last night. I left my dinner out and went to bed. Alright, let's put you guys in the fridge. Let's see where we can leave the familia. I'm naked, so I hope this doesn't catch my ass. Like, who sleeps in clothes when they're at home? Do you? Cause I don't. Okay. At least my dishes are washed. Wow. For the first time in the morning, I do not have. For the first time in the morning, I do not have any dirty dishes. There's always like 1 or 2 after I make dinner, but I didn't vlog it today. I was recording yesterday. But speaking of which, if you haven't already, go and check out my haul video. Yeah, I didn't post it yet. I'm not sure if by the time I post this that would have been posted, but yeah, go and check that out. I told you guys, I'm bringing y'all different things. I'm bringing y'all different things this year on my channel. We're gonna grow. I think at the beginning of the year, why is this thing being so difficult? This damn plug, I don't like how it sounds. Anyways, I started off this year with like 100 and I don't know, but now I'm at 125. Yesterday when I was recording my video, I was at a 123. So keep them coming. Tell your mommy, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle, your cousins that are in the family, the ones that were twice removed, second removed, third removed, fourth removed, fifth removed, and brought back. Even the ones that weren't brought back, your god sisters, your god cousins, your god kids, your spouse, your baby father, your matey, all of them people there. Tell everybody. Your pastor, your teacher, your doctor, all of them people there. Tell them about me. Tell them about me. Anyways, yeah, so the reason why my dishes are washed. Forgot why I was doing this. But yeah, the reason why my dishes were washed is because yesterday I didn't have to work. And Thursdays are my last day for picking up, because her dad is home on Friday, so he gets her. So I did not have to work yesterday, and I don't work today, which is Friday, and I'm not working tomorrow, and I'm not working on Sunday. So I was able to make my dinner extremely early. Plus, I had already prepped my stuff from the day before. Like, I had seasoned up chicken and everything. And yeah, like, because I'm eating healthy, I didn't have to make like potatoes or rice or anything like that. I just had like a little bit of pasta with a whole bunch of vegetables and some chicken breasts. And yeah, I should actually take out some fish and make it thaw out and fry some fish later. But I'm wondering if I can cheat today. We'll see. I gotta go on the road. I gotta go to my mom's. I need to pick up some mail. I want to get an Avon book because I haven't ordered anything from Avon in so long, and I need some new lipsticks in my life. I want to see what they have. Listen, everything is bad for you, so I don't want to hear anything. I always hear people say, "Oh, Avon is da 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 da." Like, what's good for you nowadays? Nothing. Okay, so I don't hear it. And yeah. So I'm just making my tea right now. Ooh, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys have this brand in your countries, but I picked this up at Walmart. It's Celestial Seasonings Herbal Tea, and this is the fruit sampler. So it comes with 20 bags, and there's 5 different flavors in this box. And there's raspberry zinger, country peach and passion, wild berry zinger, black cherry berry, and true blueberry. Let me tell y'all, every day for the past week, I have been drinking a different flavor, and they are so good. My favorite so far, well, the peach is done because Marlon drank the peach like he had permission. Like, you have your own tea. He drinks Tetley or mint, not these. Like, what's your problem? Anyways, these are like the packages that they come in, and each package has like a different flavor. But the wild berry zinger, the blueberry, and the black cherry berry are my favorites with the peach. The raspberry is not bad. I've just never really liked raspberries, but I drink it, so it's not bad. But I think today, I don't know, yesterday I was craving the blueberry. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, or the wild. Okay, I'm gonna go blueberry because I wanted blueberry yesterday. Blueberry tea. And they just come in regular tea bags. And yeah. Yo, you know what I noticed? When people message me and they're like, yo, I watch your videos, you're so funny. I'm like, you watch my videos? Like, forgetting that I put my videos out there for people to watch, but it's just so weird. No, like when they tell me that they watch it, I'd rather you watch it in anonymous and don't tell me. Like, it's so weird. Like, even with like my really good friends, like when they sit down and they're like, yo, yeah, I watch this, da, 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 da. Like, I only tell them to watch ones that they're in. Like, for instance, like the bowling one, like I tell everybody who was in it to watch it. But other than that, oh, and then this weekend I'm supposed to be going out with Fuffy to get some birthday stuff. I need a birthday outfit. I need at least 2, depending on what it is that I'm going to be doing. My sister messaged me yesterday saying that there was some guy that came to her salon and was selling paintball tickets. So I was like, paintballing? That might be different. I could do some paintballing. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know just yet what it is that I'm going to actually be doing for my birthday. But whatever it is, you guys will be there with me in spirit and all of that stuff. I wanted to work out this morning. Who knows? Nah, I'm trying to be on the road like really, really early, so that might not work. And yeah. So anyways, I'm just going to go drink my tea. I'm going to probably lie down back for a little bit. And then when I'm going on the road, I will pick you guys up and you guys will come on the road with me. Okay? So I'll see you guys in about an hour or so, something like that. Because again, like I said, I'm trying to go to mom's, get my mail, go to my sister's, get my hair done. And then I'm probably going to end up staying at my sister's for the rest of the day. So yeah, I'll holler back at you guys. See you guys soon. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Wait. Can you hear me? I'm trying out this new headset that I just bought. I only got it because the color was so shocking. Look at it on my jacket. Bomb. Anyways, I'm at mom's, or almost at mom's. I'm at Dino's downstairs, Driftwood Fish and Chips, buying some wings and some fries. Anybody who comes to Driftwood knows about this place. I'm tired of telling you guys that you guys are sleeping on it. Anyways, I'm just getting something to eat real quick, and then I'm gonna run upstairs real quick. It's gonna be a change of plans. I'm not actually gonna do my hair today. I'm gonna go to the mall with Fuff after she's done work. And then I'm probably gonna go get my hair done tomorrow. So yeah. And I don't have much battery life because I was gonna go to my sister's and use her charger if my phone died. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyways, see you guys when I get upstairs. See you guys when I get upstairs. Do you guys want to see what it looks like here? So I got my food. Now I'm going to pick up my Avon book. My Avon lady is back, y'all. She was out of the country. I'm honestly telling you, like, since I stopped working, I don't think I have placed an order for Avon. Normally, I ordered every single campaign. Like, I ordered something from every single campaign. So I'm just really excited to see what lipsticks they have. I will show you guys my lipstick collection one day. Just remind me. And I will show it to you guys. Like, I have lipstick for days. I just don't wear all of them. It's so weird. But I'm going to start mixing and mingling and all these things, you know what I'm saying? We're just waiting for that later now. Anyways, see you guys when I get upstairs, okay? That's bye. I've been waiting for these damn elevators since I said bye. That was like 10 minutes ago. And it's only moved from 5 down to 4. 15 has been stuck on 15 from 19. How long? Like, what the hell? And the friggin' button keeps going off. Like, are you kidding me right now? I'm not walking up the stairs. I don't have time for that. People are upstairs on their TVs laughing at me because I refuse to leave. But like, what the? Are they on service? Like, what is that? That was so scary. Who just leaves teddy bears in the laundry room? All right, good. Oh. That one came down a little bit. That one went down all the way to 11. Maybe there's hope. There's no sign here saying anything. Like, yo, I'm waiting for these damn okay, 10. Now, you see, if it was on service, I would understand. But the fact that there was just people in there holding up the damn elevator, that's the shit that pisses me off. Like, people don't have things to do. Chop! So, I'm going to meet Fuff. Looks so crazy right now. But hey, you look crazy like me. I'm at the subway. I'm rushing to catch my bus because she finishes work in like 2 minutes. And And yeah. I really hope you guys can hear me and I'm not wasting space right now to only go home and edit and you guys can. Oh, boss. Thank you. Myself, what am I doing here?
Now you need to apologize.
Woo!
You got me on
So they already knew that I was coming here to see you anyways. So you guys, Tiffany is going to Jamaica and I'm shopping for my birthday. So we're just trying to find stuff, you know? Yeah, trying to find summer clothes in the winter time.
It's January.
It's not that easy, you know what I'm saying? I don't like suck on things anymore, like
No, they gotta be like a little loose.
as I'm getting older, like it, you know, like why do you need to see my pum pum front? Like why do you need to see how my pum pum prints out?
Yeah, how about how's body?
I've not been married yet, so I don't know what these people are saying. Squat. This is such a cute shirt. I wonder if Marlon would like it.
Your husband?
What do you? No, the people them husband. He's not mine alone. Okay, he shared goods. I share him with other girls. These are cute. I like these. Can you lift up the down there?
Oh my god,
This
that's
is so cute.
So
The
you.
bottom.
so you.
So, but you see, this is why it's Jamaica. Okay, you have to
think
dress
this
out
will
of the
fit me?
ordinary. This is a really cute plain skirt too.
Do you think this will fit me?
Can you look at the size? Anyways, people, that's the gist of it right now in this store. I'll see you in the next one.
Alright.
You struggle to put on these pants? You see?
It like fully makes your bum go down.
That's what I'm saying, they're so tight. Like, it's a really like. The material is terrible.
It like flattens your bum.
No. I don't even want to try the rest on.
You tried on the top? You gave up?
Yeah, yo, like I'm not. It doesn't make no sense if I get the top and then yeah. These are the ones.
I'm gonna get these. Maybe I'm gonna rip
So you guys, I'm getting the sweatsuit. Can't really show it to you right now. I'm hot.
I think I'm gonna rip it more though. I don't know.
This looks small.
You think?
Do they stretch?
No, but if they don't fit me, I'll do
You're just gonna throw away $10 like that?
Huh? I'm not throwing it away. She needs. Why do you have me on camera? No, it's not throwing it away. But
It is because you think it's yours and then you have to give it away so it's not yours and then the $10 is gone.
I don't necessarily. I buy it just for the both of us.
Ladies, if you love your
I think
man.
it should fit me. I don't have no bum.
Okay, guys. That's enough for my dance session today. Did you guys like it? Come back again on Thursday for another part. Damn, I think I love that boy. You still rocking.
I went to like, what's it called? Me and my sister went over to rehab,
Oh my god.
and like, I was like, no sir, I just looked. I'm like, you can't like me trying to dance in Jamaica. Like, me appear fine, but like, but they don't do like regular. They do like those gymnastic movements and shit. Like, yo,
Yes.
this
Them jump up on the box.
Fluffy went. Yo, I have to give her props. Like, I have to give her props. Yo, this girl went on her head top. She put the manga them. The manga girl them to shit.
I mean,
She was
Fluffy,
she went on
Fluffy
her
to
head
the
top and she was I was
right.
like,
The weekday?
yeah, we'd make a perfect match, right?
What? Oh, this is a really cute bag.
You're talking about him.
It's only $5.
His friend looked because you said the weekend. His friends looking at you like. I know
She
you're
talking about
my
me?
friend. I know you're talking about my friend.
I try. So, can you buy this for me? The outfit?
I have.
In case you guys didn't hear, she has $30.
Like,
Anyways,
all the way to
guys,
Friday.
see you guys later, okay? Okay, bye.
Text it to you.
Bye! Thank you, I'll see you later!
I'm gonna send them. People don't wanna.
Bye. You can't do that. My viewers don't want to see that. You get home safe, okay, Sugar Plum? You text me.